Today's home tour will be out in Surprise, Arizona, Toll Brothers Community, Sterling Grove. We're going to walk through the Ballantyne model. Let's go take a look. Today we're out in Surprise, Arizona, Toll Brothers Sterling Grove Community. Absolutely beautiful out here. Love all the flowers, the water features, the trees. Absolutely beautiful. Have the White Tank Mountains out to the west. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful pool area. They have country club, the pools, they have a gym, golf course. Let's take a walk down to the models. There's a green space right here in the neighborhood. It's really pretty. Here's the Ballantyne. It's 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 3,741 square feet. Let's go take a look. To the right, you have an office. Love this wall, love the colors, the style, the paintings. Got a half bath right here. Love the dark cabinets. Formal dining room on the right. Love the wall of windows out to the beautiful patio and backyard. Wait till you see that. Great room and the kitchen. Back here, that's the door coming in from the garage. Pantry. Over here to the right, the laundry room. Here's the primary suite. It's really nice. Wait till you see this bathroom over to the left. Love the colors in here. Really like the black accent walls in the shower. Walk-in closet goes right out to the laundry room, which is really nice. Let's go back out to this kitchen. Great room. It's really good size. So let's go upstairs. Take a look at the bedrooms upstairs and the little game room they have. Black accent wall. Love the painting. Game room, movie area, playroom. Beautiful views of the White Tank Mountains out to the west. Used to live in Surprise for many years. Love the White Tank Mountains wherever you go. It's bedroom 2. Jack and Jill bathroom. Views on views. Golf course. Full bathroom. Bedroom number 4. Love the railing. Love this backyard. Covered patio for eating, hanging out. Out here is a fireplace. And check out this pool. Love the waterfall with the White Tank Mountains in the background. That concludes the tour of the Ballantyne Model, Toll Brothers, Sterling Grove, Surprise, Arizona. Thanks for walking through it with me. Hit the subscribe button. If you love seeing content like this, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next tour.